Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about testosterone. Testosterone production begins at 7 to 8 weeks of life and it is maximum at 15 weeks of life. And this testosterone will decrease and this testosterone will remains low till puberty. And if you see at 17 years of age, testosterone production will be around 5 to 7 milligram per day. Among this 5 to 7 milligram per day, 0.5 to 3.1 milligram which is produced is free testosterone. This testosterone is actually bound to sex hormone. It is bound to sex hormone binding globulin and albumin. Okay, this testosterone in the presence of the hormone aromatase, it gets converted to testosterone undergoes in the presence of aromatase, it gets converted to estrogen. Estrogen amount is 50 micrograms per day and among this 20% is in testis and rest is present in adipose tissue. 20% is present in testis, rest of the estrogen is present in the adipose tissue. Then if you see the role of estrogen in male. If you see the role of estrogen in male, what happens to estrogen in male? In male, it increases the bone mineral density. It is helpful for closure of epiphysis of long bones. Then it is also helpful for maintaining body fat and it is very helpful for sexual function. So these are the roles of estrogen in male. Okay, now this testosterone will get converted in the presence of the enzyme 5-alpha reductase to dihydroxytestosterone. This dihydroxytestosterone is the most potent androgen. So if you see the ratio of testosterone to dihydrotestosterone is equal to 10 to 15:1. So this is about the hormone testosterone. Thank you for watching.